Hi friend, in this video you will learn how to share a note on Instagram. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's begin the video. First of all, you will simply open your Instagram application. So after opening your Instagram application, at the top corner there is a message sign. You will simply tap on messages. So here at the top there is an option of leave a note, as you can see. So at the top of the note there is a plus option. You will simply tap on plus. Here you will leave your note. Let's say hi Sai or anything you can write here. And at the top corner there is a share option. So here is also a close friends option. You can here, by tapping it, you can select the close friends which will see your note as well. So here is also the option of close friends as well. So after selecting any of the options, at the top corner there is a share option. You will simply tap on share and the note has been shared, as you can see. So this is the simple process of sharing the note on Instagram. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.